Struggling with weight gain on the carnivore diet. I was too, even after losing 20 kilos. 3 specific mistakes led to weight gain. In this video, I share those mistakes and how to avoid them so you don't make the same missteps. Point 1. Eating too much protein. When I first started the carnivore diet, I thought piling my plate with steak and ribs was the way to go. I figured more meat equaled more weight loss, since that's what everyone online seems to brag about. But what I didn't realize was too much protein was quickly working against me. Here's the thing, your body can only use so much protein for muscles and energy before it turns to the excess into glucose. That's right, too much steak can spike your blood sugar just like a bowl of rice would. I'd eat 3 pounds of beef a day, thinking I was in ketosis, but my scale kept climbing. Some people say protein doesn't matter, just eat meat. But that's nonsense if your goal is fat loss. Overdo it and you're stuck, burning sugar instead of fat. Test it yourself. Eat a huge ribeye, then check your ketones an hour later. They'll tank. I've seen guys double their protein intake and wonder why they're bloated and gaining weight. Stick to about 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body mass daily, and you'll keep your fat burning on track. That shift dropped 5 pounds on me in 2 weeks once I stopped overeating meat. But protein wasn't my only slip-up. Let's talk about something I added to my plate next. But before we do that, I have a beginner guide to carnivore, how to succeed with carnivore. For over a year I've eaten carnivore and I have collected my best tips. Click the link in the description and download. You just put in your email address and you will be off to the races. And the second tip is sneaking in dairy. After a few weeks of strict carnivore, I got bored with plain beef and decided to mix in some cheese and butter. I told myself I was fine with dairy, comes from animal and fits the rules. What I didn't see coming was how those little additions started padding my waist again.